Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Minitha Abraham. Today I am going to share how to make tulip flowers from crepe paper. Let's start.
Materials required are red and green crepe paper, thick metal wire, thread, scissors, white glue, green tape, and tissue paper. Let's start by cutting out 7 pieces of red crepe paper. We need 3 pieces that are 4 cm by 17 cm. We need another 3 pieces that are 4 cm by 16 cm. Now we need 1 piece that's 8 cm by 8 cm, a square. Now we need 2 pieces of green paper that are 4 cm by 17 cm and another 2 pieces that are 3 cm by 50 cm. Let's move on. Take the thick metal wire and make a hook on one end of it. Then keep it aside. Now take a tissue paper and fold it. Then roll it into a paper ball in your hands. Now attach the paper ball to the thick metal wire we've kept aside. Now let's grab the piece of red paper 8 cm by 8 cm and wrap it around the paper ball. Before tying it with thread. Let's make the petals. Take the strip of paper that was 4 cm by 16 cm and fold it into half. Remember to make a crease in the middle point of the paper before opening it back and creating small pleats in the center. Twist once. Fold the paper back out and give it a slight cupped shape using your thumb. Finally, stretch the center a little bit. Now, we can continue making the rest of the petals using the same method. Now let's start with attaching the petals together into a tulip flower. Take the 4 by 16 cm petals and arrange them around the bud we'd made earlier. Remember only to attach one side as you arrange them. Now, take some thread and tie them around. Use your hands and fix the shape a little bit according to your preference. Finally, we can pull down the other side of the petal and tie them together. Now let's grab our 4 by 17 cm petals we'd cut out earlier. Make sure that both sides of it are matching and even. Before arranging them around the 4 by 16 cm petals we'd attached to the bud earlier. After that, grab some thread and tie it together. Now, let's grab the 3 cm by 50 cm green crepe papers and apply glue to the bottom of the tulip flower, and then wind the green paper around the stem part of the flower. Add white glue in between as needed. Once we're done with the first strip, take the second strip and do the same. Now, grab some green tape and wind it around the stem part of the flower, the same way we did with the green crepe paper earlier. We're gonna make the leaves. Grab a 4 cm by 17 cm piece of green crepe paper. Align them together and fold them in half. Now grab a scissors and cut the edges of the paper into the shape of a leaf. After that, you can open the papers back up and you will get a leaf like as shown in the video. Now, simply apply white glue and attach the leaves to the flower. This is the final step. And now, our lovely tulip flower is ready. And here is our final product. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and support. And subscribe to the channel for more videos.